God hates me, never keep my banger on safety. My mother raised me alone, you can't break me. My heart's pumping the blood of Hoyt Gracie. My thoughts stuffing the slug and point straightly. You rhyme fakely, you still scar. I'm steady in deep thought like Bill Maher. I'm real raw, we just dumbing it out. And y'all ain't saying nothing with a gun in your mouth. That's what I'm about. But Vinny Paz go deeper. Y'all still under the spell of Ghost Ether, the Grim Reaper. It's all nature, and every word from a law is on paper. We all hate you, we can't stand you. Chapter 8, verse 3, book of Daniel. You like a candle, you just burn. You never worship a law, you can't learn. Learn. Fucking hologram. In half, the icon, the hologram wrath. But I am the center inside the placenta of mass. You clash with cyanide gas and die fast. Rhythmical equivalent of solids, liquids, and gas. We smash your sinus with the power of Lord Titus. But I am the virus inside of the iris of Cyrus. Upon papyrus, I kill snipers and biting vipers and strangle you with the organs of riders who try to fight us. Call me your highness and sip the blood from the phoenix, who's guilty like the Jews in the crucifixion of Jesus. Murder the heathens and perish in the pit of cobras. Word is born, my rhymes form into a swarm of locusts, provokers and face the zodiac killers. 5 samurai do or die fire spitters, heavy hitters from the lands of Sudan. Killer Del Shambhala, icon, the hologram. What?
This is a generation as the generation before.
Now there would be no doubt about what was intended for us.
They don't want another war. May there be freedom, equality, and brotherhood among all men.
The verbal hologram, yo, and my man Stu, Jedi mind tricks, Killer Del Shambhala, one time for your mind, check it out, off the head, I judge wisely, and then take you to fucking war, sever your head with metaphors, send you through the corridor of my laboratory, the unholy orator, coming through stomping, icons, telepathic like fucking dolphins, flying spaceships like Martians, through quantum teleporters, seen them, you fucking heathen, waiting by the gates of Eden. I slayed a man, holy as Abraham, in the sacred land, with a notebook of battle hymns, cherubims and Elohims, in Jerusalem, in Bethlehem, the 3 wise men, send to them a vision of fucking pain, 1,000 rappers slain, like war fields in Vietnam, icon dropping bombs, like napalm, on hiphopsite.com, one time, army of the pharaohs, like poisonous arrows. Look out for that shit, Jedi mind.